This package arrived in my house about 2 weeks ago, and it has just been sitting on the table waiting for me because I wanted to open it on camera. I've shown extreme patience, and of course, 2 weeks. I have my unboxing knife here ready, so I'll just unbox it. So let's open the box. What? So dumb. How does it work? Penetrate. Sorry, box. Okay. Some cutting situation here. This is the unboxing, as you can see. Bang! We have the SSD here. Most of you may be wondering, everything. What is this? We thought you were unboxing something special. This is the SSD Plus, which makes computer fast. They claim that it can make the computer 20 times faster than it used to be. So, well, I have to test this out myself. I have an old laptop which I will test it on, and if this is a lie, of course I'll get to crucify this company. Of course, this is also the cheapest SSD I can find. It's also not that big, it's 240 gig. So let's get started with the process. This right here is my Toshiba laptop, which is quite old. It's about, I think, 10 years old since it was released, but I personally owned it for about 7 years right now. It brings a lot of memories back. I've studied a lot, spent a lot of hours looking at this computer, but it's now very slow. Before I can install this into the laptop, you first need to have Windows ready. If you have a Windows CD, that is good. You can just insert it into the CD drive of the computer and install it after you insert this. But if you don't have it, you first need to go to this Windows website. Of course, in the Windows website, you don't need to buy Windows again. If you have an activated Windows in your computer, after you install this and install the Windows, which you will get from the link I will include in the description, and you just download it there, as you can see in this website right here. After that, you create an Windows USB boot drive through following these steps in this video right here. Now that my boot disk is ready right here, I will get started with the installation of the SSD. To do that, you only need to unscrew one screw right here. As you can see, I don't know, hopefully you can see right here. You just need to unscrew this. I have the tools ready right here. I have the screwdriver. Of course, not everyone is an alpha male like me. If you are not an alpha male and you don't own a screw, you can use this knife situation here. It works perfectly, as I will just demonstrate here. Yeah, beta males know how to make this unscrew things, but you know, alpha dogs like me have no idea how to do that. Inside the computer is now the SSD. Here's the clip showing how fast the computer has gotten after the installation of the SSD. You can compare this clip with your computer if you are considering doing this to your own computer. So my test will run as follows, because that's how I mainly use the laptop. I will boot it from off and then let it boot. I will put the password in and then open Google Chrome and then go to YouTube and open a video, and then I will do the same after install the SSD. I will see just how fast it becomes or how slow it was, and then all that. I'll run the side by side right here of before and after. This on this side here is the computer before I install the SSD, and this right here is the computer after I install the SSD. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, I'm sure we can all agree that was some next level gains in speed. It's now very fast, very usable. That old Toshiba of mine have just received life extension. Life has been extended for it. I'm gonna use it some more, and of course for you guys also, you can save some money, not buy another laptop. You can just upgrade it for the chips, because this is like about 240 Turkish liras. We'll include the prices in rands also in the description of why I bought this, what is its name, and all that sweet stuff. I think we can all agree that my Toshiba right here has gotten significantly more faster, and SSDs in general, but in particular this one that I've installed here, truly works. And then the computer is now fast, it's now usable, it's as fast as my phone, so I don't have to watch my Netflix. Do I have Netflix? I don't have to watch my Netflix in my phone or YouTube, so I can just watch it in my computer. So this laptop is now very usable. Its life cycle has been extended. Lastly, I tried to get the affiliate link where I can just make a link. You just click on it and you can buy this for yourself. So unfortunately, since I don't have 1,000 subscribers in any platform, I can't get that affiliate link, but hopefully in the future, once I have 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to create it. You can buy this SSD at any place you find it. I can't recommend any place myself because I don't have enough subscribers to make the affiliate link. So with that said, hey everything, sorry right there, I have a question for you. I thought you made medical videos, political videos, and vlog kind of videos. Now you are making PC videos also? Yes. Are you confused? What is the direction your channel is taking? Can you let me just wrap up this video? I'm almost at the end and we talk about this after. No, no. We want answers right now, right here. Explain right now. There's you too? Okay, the two of you. Wait a moment. I also subscribe to this channel to watch weight loss videos. Please guys, let me explain. Okay. So, wait my guy, and you two right there. When I started YouTube, all I wanted was to make videos that were entertaining and people enjoy them. But bigger YouTubers advised me make a specific kind of videos only so that people that want those videos can subscribe to my channel. But that didn't work out for me. Yes. Which kind of videos will you be making moving forward? I'll majorly focus in explaining things, which is what I enjoy and I find more interesting to me and to all my subscribers. Good luck my guy, I'm going. Bye. Okay my guy, I understand. I think your explanation is good enough and I wish you all the best with your channel. I'll still stay a subscriber even though you're confused. Please try to do better with your thumbnails. Be more clear with your titles. Also be more clear so I can understand if it's this the kind of videos I want to watch from you or not. Okay? Yes. This is the end of the video. If you liked it or found it helpful, please click the like button and subscribe if you are new here. If you love the content, please comment in the comment section. If you have any question, I'll help you out with this content. So